मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
हाय, तुम कैसे हो? हाय, हाउ आर यू? हाय, हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद। I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. कैसा है सब कुछ? How is everything? How is everything? बहुत अच्छा. Very well. Very well. आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? मुंबई में. In Mumbai. In Mumbai. मुंबई में कहाँ? Where in Mumbai? Where in Mumbai? सोहनपुर में. In सोहनपुर. In सोहनपुर. मैं कल जयपुर जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to Jaipur tomorrow. I'm going to Jaipur tomorrow. किस लिए? For what? For what? क्या ये आज का पेपर है? Is this today's paper? Is this today's paper? नहीं, ये कल का है. No, it is yesterday's. No, it is yesterday's. मैं जा रहा हूँ और मैं यहाँ दोबारा नहीं आऊँगा. I'm leaving and I will not come here again. I'm leaving and I will not come here again. पर क्यों? But why? But why? इन जूतों की कीमत कितनी है? How much do these shoes cost? How much do these shoes cost? इनकी कीमत 600 रुपये है. It costs rupees 600. It costs rupees 600. तुम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे? What were you talking about? What were you talking about? कुछ खास नहीं, ऐसे ही बस इधर उधर की. Oh, nothing special, just this and that. Oh, nothing special, just this and that. क्या मैं तुम्हारी पेंसिल इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your pencil? May I use your pencil? बिल्कुल नहीं. By no means. By no means. Or you can say not by any means. Not by any means. ये किसकी किताब है? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? मेरी है. It's mine. It's mine. तुम्हारी लंबाई कितनी है? How tall are you? How tall are you? 5 फुट 3 इंच है. I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall. I am 5 feet 3 inches tall. तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? Or you can say, what's your age? What's your age? मैं 17 साल का हूँ. I am 17. I am 17. और I'm 17-year-old. I'm 17 years old. क्या तुम उनके साथ बाहर जाना चाहते हो? Do you want to go out with them? Do you want to go out with them? नहीं, मेरा मूड नहीं है. No, I'm not in the mood. No, I'm not in the mood. मीटिंग में कितने लोग थे? How many people were there at the meeting? How many people were there at the meeting? 150 के आसपास, about 150, about 150. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है कि वो तुम्हारी मदद करेगा? Are you sure he will help you? Are you sure he will help you? हाँ, मुझे पूरा यकीन है. Absolutely sure. Absolutely sure. और हाँ, मुझे पूरा यकीन है, इसको आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. Yes, I am certain. Yes, I am certain. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि ये योजना असफल होगी? Do you think this plan will fail? Do you think this plan will fail? बहुत संभावना है. It is very much possible. It is very much possible. तुम मेरे पैर पे खड़े हो. You are standing on my foot. You are standing on my foot. माफ करना, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. Sorry, I didn't realize. Sorry, I didn't realize. क्या यहाँ आसपास कोई दवा की दुकान है? Is there any medical store near here? Is there any medical store near here? मैं देखता हूँ. Let me see. Let me see. तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है आजकल? How is your study going on these days? How is your study going on these days? ठीक ठाक या फिर कुछ खास नहीं. So so. So so. तुम्हें कार कब तक सही चाहिए? When do you want your car repaired? When do you want your car repaired? जितना जल्दी हो उतना अच्छा. The sooner the better. The sooner the better. मैं ये नौकरी छोड़ने वाला हूँ. I'm going to leave this job. I'm going to leave this job. ऐसे कैसे? How come? How come? या फिर किस लिए? How so? How so? मैंने इसके बारे में तुम्हें बताया नहीं था. Didn't I tell you about this? Didn't I tell you about this? मुझे याद नहीं. I don't remember. I don't remember. क्या हम घूमने के लिए जाएं? Shall we go for a walk now? Shall we go for a walk now? जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. मुझे ये चॉकलेट बहुत पसंद है. I love this chocolate. I love this chocolate. मुझे भी. Me too. Me too. मैंने वहाँ फिर से नहीं जाने का तय किया है. I have decided not to go there again. I have decided not to go there again. मैंने भी यही तय किया है. Same here. Same here. क्या हम आज बाहर खाएं? Shall we eat out tonight? Shall we eat out tonight? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? कहीं भी नहीं. Nowhere. Nowhere. इससे तुम्हारा कोई मतलब नहीं है. None of your business. None of your business. तो हम 8 बजे मिलेंगे, ठीक है? So we will meet at 8, shall we? So we will meet at 8, shall we? ठीक है, ओके, ओके, या फिर agreed, agreed. क्या वह अकेला आ रहा है? Is he coming alone? Is he coming alone? मुझे लगता है, I think so, I think so. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? आपसे मिलने के लिए, to meet you, to meet you. क्या तुम्हें थकान महसूस हो रही है? Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling tired? बिल्कुल भी नहीं या फिर कतई नहीं. Not a bit. Not a bit. ऐसा दिखाई देता है कि इंग्लैंड जीतने वाली है. It looks like England is going to win. It looks like England is going to win. मुझे क्या? Who cares? Who cares? क्या तुम मुझे 200 रुपये उधार दे सकते हो? Could you lend me rupees 200? Could you lend me rupees 200? हाँ, ज़रूर. Certainly. Certainly. आप ये क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? Why are you asking this? Why are you asking this? बस ऐसे ही. Oh, just. Oh, just. तुम्हारा सिर दर्द कैसा है? How is your headache? How is your headache? आता जाता रहता है. Oh, it comes and goes. Oh, it comes and goes. क्या 5 बजे तक आप इस खत का अनुवाद कर सकेंगे? Could you translate this letter by 5 o'clock, please? Could you translate this letter by 5 o'clock, please? हो गया, समझिए. Consider it done. Consider it done. आप रोज दूध क्यों पीते हैं? Why do you drink milk daily? Why do you drink milk daily? अच्छा स्वास्थ्य बनाए रखने के लिए, to maintain good health, to maintain good health. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? एक गिलास पानी, a glass of water, a glass of water. इस शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? मुझे नहीं मालूम. I don't know. I don't know. क्या तुम्हें तली हुई चीज़ें पसंद हैं? Do you like fried food? Do you like fried food? हाँ, बहुत. Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. और yes, very much. Yes, very much. आपको क्यों लगता है कि वह स्वार्थी है? Why do you think he is selfish? Why do you think he is selfish? क्योंकि मैं उन्हें बचपन से जानता हूँ. Because I know him since childhood. Because I know him since childhood. तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या हैं? What is your father? What is your father? वह एक इंजीनियर है. He is a engineer. He is a engineer. क्या तुम आज शाम शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हो? Are you going to shopping this evening? Are you going to shopping this evening?
सब बारिश पर निर्भर करता है. It depends on the rain. It depends on the rain. आईना किसने तोड़ा? Who broke the mirror? Who broke the mirror? मैंने नहीं तोड़ा. I didn't. I didn't. आज कौन सी तारीख है? What's the date today? What's the date today? आज 24 जून है. It's 24th of June today. It's 24th of June today. आपका पेन दो मुझे. Give me your pen. Give me your pen. ये लो. Here it is. Here it is. यहाँ से रेलवे स्टेशन कितनी दूर है? How far is the railway station from here? How far is the railway station from here? लगभग 7 किलोमीटर. About 7 kilometers. About 7 kilometers. मुझे ये किताब दो. Give that book to me. Give that book to me. नहीं, मैं नहीं दूंगा. No, I will not. No, I will not. You can say no, I won't. No, I won't. आज से मैं खाना बनाऊंगा और तुम बर्तन साफ करोगे. From today, I will cook and you will do the dishes. From today, I will cook and you will do the dishes. ठीक है, तय हुआ. Done. Done. तुम वहाँ क्यों गए थे? Why had you gone there? Why had you gone there? मेरी कोचिंग क्लासेस के लिए. For my coaching classes. For my coaching classes. क्या वो आज रात को आ रही है? Is she coming tonight? Is she coming tonight? मुझे अंदाज़ा नहीं है. I have no idea. I have no idea. तुम उनके साथ क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going with him? Why are you going with him? मैं वो जगह घूमना चाहता हूँ. I want to explore that place. I want to explore that place. क्या तुम पास हो गए? Did you pass? Did you pass? नहीं, मैं फेल हो गया. No, I failed. No, I failed. क्या वह अपनी नौकरी से संतुष्ट है? Is he satisfied with his job? Is he satisfied with his job? ऐसा लगता है. It seems so. It seems so. तुम यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो? Why are you sitting here? Why are you sitting here? मैं अपने मित्र का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for my friend. I am waiting for my friend. दर्द हुआ क्या? Did it hurt? Did it hurt? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. तुम क्या लिख रहे हो? What are you writing? What are you writing? मैं अपना गृह कार्य कर रहा हूँ. I am doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. सुरेश तुरंत यहाँ आओ. सुरेश come over here this minute. सुरेश come over here this minute. आया माँ या फिर आया पापा. Coming mom or dad. Coming mom or dad. तुम हमेशा चिल्लाते क्यों हो? Why are you always shouting? Why are you always shouting? मैं नहीं चिल्लाता. I don't. क्या मैं तुमसे एक निजी सवाल पूछूं? Could I ask you one personal question? Could I ask you one personal question? हाँ, बिल्कुल पूछो. Of course, go ahead. Of course, go ahead. आप चाय लेंगे या कॉफ़ी? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? कुछ भी चलेगा. Either would do fine. Either would do fine. आपके पिताजी क्या करते हैं? What does your father do? What does your father do? वो एक किसान है. My father is a farmer. My father is a farmer. क्या तुम्हें कुछ हुआ है? Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ है. सब बिल्कुल ठीक है. No, no, nothing is wrong. Everything is just fine. No, no, nothing is wrong. Everything is just fine. तुम्हारा नया स्कूल कैसा है? What's your new school like? What's your new school like? बहुत अच्छा. Oh, it's great. Oh, it's great. आप जयपुर कैसे गए? How did you go to Jaipur? How did you go to Jaipur? हवाई जहाज से. By plane. By plane. समय क्या हुआ है? What's the time? What's the time? 9:30 बजे हैं. It's 9:30 a.m. It's 9:30 a.m. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मैं कुछ भी नहीं, ऐसे ही समय बिता रहा हूँ. Me, nothing, just killing time. Me, nothing, just killing time. आपने अपनी नौकरी क्यों छोड़ी? Why did you quit your job? Why did you quit your job? क्योंकि मैं अपने काम से उब चुका था. Because I was bored of my job. Because I was bored of my job. क्या तुम थोड़ा इंतज़ार कर सकते हो? Can you wait a few minutes? Can you wait a few minutes? हाँ, मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Yes, I'm not in a hurry. Yes, I'm not in a hurry. मैं तुम्हारी किताब सोमवार को वापस करूँगा. I will return your book on Monday. I will return your book on Monday. ठीक है, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. That's all right. That's all right. Or you can say that's okay, there is no hurry. That's okay, there is no hurry. आप ऐसे क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? मैंने इसके बारे में शोध किया है. I have researched about it. I have researched about it. तुम दिल्ली में कितने दिन रहे? How long did you stay in Delhi? How long did you stay in Delhi? मैं वहाँ एक हफ्ता रहा. I stayed there for a week. I stayed there for a week. इस योजना की असफलता के लिए तुम जिम्मेदार हो. You are responsible for the failure of this plan. You are responsible for the failure of this plan. कौन? मैं? बिल्कुल नहीं. Who? Me? Not at all. Who? Me? Not at all. तुम उसके प्रति इतने कठोर क्यों हो? Why are you so rude to her? Why are you so rude to her. इससे आपका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. This has nothing to do with you. This has nothing to do with you. वह शादीशुदा है, क्या तुम जानते हो? She is married. Do you know? She is married. Do you know? क्या? सच में? मुझे नहीं पता था. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Oh, really? I didn't know that. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? बिल्कुल बोल सकता हूँ. Sure I can. Sure I can. तुम झूठ क्यों बोलते हो? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. I don't lie. I don't lie. मैंने परीक्षा पास कर ली है. मैंने परीक्षा पास कर ली है. I have passed the examination. I have passed the examination. पास हो गए, बधाई हो. Have you passed? Congratulations. Have you passed? Congratulations. क्या तुम्हें इस बारे में कुछ अंदाज़ा है? Have you any idea about it? Have you any idea about it? कुछ अंदाज़ा नहीं है. Not at all, not at all और none whatsoever, none whatsoever. तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing, nothing. क्या तुम मेरी किताब साथ लाए हो? Did you bring my book with you? Did you bring my book with you? अरे मैं भूल गया, कल ज़रूर ले आऊँगा. Oh no, I forgot. I will definitely bring it tomorrow. Oh no, I forgot. I will definitely bring it tomorrow. क्या तुम्हारा लिखने का काम खत्म हो गया? Have you finished your writing work? Have you finished your writing work? अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन जल्द ही खत्म हो जाएगा. Not yet, but it will finish soon. Not yet, but it will finish soon. तुम उसे इतना नापसंद क्यों करते हो? Why do you dislike him so much? Why do you dislike him so much? क्योंकि वह बहुत असभ्य है. Because he is very rude. Because he is very rude. क्या मैं कल आऊँ तो चलेगा? Is it okay if I come tomorrow? Is it okay if I come tomorrow? बिल्कुल कभी भी. Sure, whenever. Sure, whenever. तुम्हें क्या हुआ है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? मुझे बुखार आ गया है. I have got a fever. I have got a fever. आप मैच क्यों नहीं देखते? Why don't you watch the match? Why don't you watch the match? मुझे क्रिकेट में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है. I have no interest in cricket. I have no interest in cricket. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? कुछ भी नहीं, मैं सिर्फ अपने आप से बात कर रहा था. Nothing. I was just talking to myself. Nothing. I was just talking to myself. तुम झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? मैं सच कह रहा हूँ. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. क्या आप थोड़ा और पिज़्ज़ा लेना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like some more pizza? वुड यू लाइक सम मोर पिज़्ज़ा? हाँ, सिर्फ एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा. यस प्लीज़, जस्ट अ स्मॉल पीस. यस प्लीज़, जस्ट अ स्मॉल पीस. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? मेरा नाम रिया है. माई नेम इज़ रिया. माई नेम इज़ रिया. तुम्हारे कितने बच्चे हैं? हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन हैव यू गॉट? हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन हैव यू गॉट? 2. 2. मैं घर जा रही हूँ. I'm going home. I'm going home. क्यों? Why? Why? तुम क्यों चिंतित हो? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? मेरी कल एक परीक्षा है. I have an exam tomorrow. I have an exam tomorrow. क्या आप मुझे स्टेशन पर छोड़ सकते हैं? Could you drop me at the station? Could you drop me at the station? हाँ बिल्कुल. Oh, with pleasure. Oh, with pleasure. थोड़ा नमक बढ़ाऊं? Shall I add some salt? Shall I add some salt? बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा. Just a little. Just a little. आप दिल्ली में क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing in Delhi? What are you doing in Delhi? मैं एक प्राथमिक विद्यालय में पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I'm teaching in a primary school. I'm teaching in a primary school. आपकी यात्रा कैसी रही? How was your journey? How was your journey? ठीक थी. It was fine. It was fine. क्या तुम परिणाम के बारे में चिंतित हो? Are you worried about the result? Are you worried about the result? थोड़ा भी नहीं. Not in the slightest. Not in the slightest. इसे क्या कहते हैं? What is it called? What is it called? Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. आपको धूम्रपान छोड़ देना चाहिए. You should give up smoking. You should give up smoking. हाँ तुम सही हो. मुझे छोड़ना चाहिए. Yes, you are right. I should. Yes, you are right. I should. आपने नौकरी क्यों छोड़ी? Why did you leave the job? Why did you leave the job? अरे छोड़ो उसको. Oh, let it rest. Oh, let it rest. आप वापस कैसे लौटे? How did you return? How did you return? मैं ट्रेन से लौटा. I returned by train. I returned by train. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to market. I'm going to market. मैं आगे की पढ़ाई करने के लिए उदयपुर जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to Udaipur for further education. I'm going to Udaipur for further education. सच में? कब? Really? When? Really? When? वह आज अनुपस्थित क्यों है? Why is he absent today? Why is he absent today? उसे सर्दी और बुखार हो गया है. He has got a cold and fever. He has got a cold and fever. क्या वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग थे? Were there lots of people? Were there lots of people? हाँ बहुत. Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot. क्या तुम्हारे पास छुट्टा है? Have you got any change? Have you got any change? माफ़ करना, मेरे पास सिर्फ 10 का एक नोट है. Sorry, I have only got a 10 rupee note. Sorry, I have only got a 10 rupee note. तुम जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in hurry? Why are you in hurry? मेरी 5 मिनट में मीटिंग है. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. क्या तुम्हारे साथ सब कुछ ठीक है? Is everything okay with you? Is everything okay with you? हाँ ठीक है. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. आपका वज़न कितना है? How much do you weigh? How much do you weigh? मेरा वज़न 80 किलो है. I weigh 80 kg. I weigh 80 kg. आपने ये पुस्तक क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this book? Why did you buy this book? क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त ने इसकी सिफारिश की थी. Because my friend recommended this. Because my friend recommended this. तुम आजकल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days? मैं इस समय एक कंपनी में काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm currently working in a company. I'm currently working in a company. ये इमारत कितनी पुरानी है? How old is this building? How old is this building? ये 60 साल पुरानी है. It is 60 years old. It is 60 years old. क्या हम बस स्टैंड तक पैदल चलें? Shall we walk to the bus stand? Shall we walk to the bus stand? कितनी दूर है? How far is it? How far is it? उसने आत्महत्या क्यों की? Why did he commit suicide? Why did he commit suicide? वह कर्ज नहीं चुका सका. He couldn't pay the debt. He couldn't pay the debt. 12वीं पास करने के बाद आपका क्या इरादा है? What do you intend to do after passing 12th? What do you intend to do after passing 12th? मैं आगे पढ़ाई करूँगा. I will study further. I will study further. तुम्हें अब कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? पहले से अच्छा लग रहा है. Feeling better. Feeling better. इस मामले पर आपकी क्या राय है? What is your opinion on this matter? What is your opinion on this matter? मुझे लगता है कि वह सही है. I think she is right. I think she is right. हंसना बंद करो. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. नहीं रोक पा रहा हूँ. I can't help it. I can't help it. मुझे अपने साथ कितने पैसे लाने चाहिए? How much money should I bring with me? How much money should I bring with me? जितने ज़्यादा उतने बेहतर. The more the better. The more the better. ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा? How did you like this video? How did you like this video? ये उपयोगी था. It was useful. It was useful.